I'll show you how easy it is to add third-party applications such as Google Analytics, Facebook Pixels, tracking codes, live chats, and many other integrations to your website. So how do you do that? It's very simple. All you have to do is open your website settings and go to the Custom Code section. Here, you'll see options for Custom Head Markup, Custom Body Markup, Custom CSS. If you're not familiar with these terms, don't worry. For example, if you want to add Google Analytics, Google usually provides a tracking code and instructs you to place it inside the backtick section of your website. All you need to do is copy the tracking code, paste it into the head markup section. Click Save, and that's it. Google Analytics is now connected to your website. You can use this same process for many other third-party applications such as live chat systems, tracking tools, marketing integrations, analytics platforms, external widgets. Simply paste the provided code into the appropriate section and save your changes. You can also add custom CSS if you want to make lightweight design modifications to your website. This is a more advanced option, but it's very useful for custom styling and design adjustments. Now, if you want to add a Facebook pixel specifically, we've made the process even easier through a built-in integration. Simply go to Applications and click Add Application, then select Facebook Pixel. All you need to do is paste your pixel ID, click Save and Verify, and that's it. Your Facebook pixel will now start tracking events and visitors across your website automatically. Now let's talk about funnels. Funnels work exactly the same way. If you're using a standalone funnel, simply open the funnel settings and you'll find the same options: Custom Head Markup, Custom CSS, Custom Body Markup. So you can add integrations there as well. Now, what if you want to add custom code directly inside a page itself? For example, a custom form, a live chat widget, comments, an embedded application, or any custom HTML element. Again, the process is very simple. First, copy the code provided by the third-party service. Then, inside the builder, click the plus icon, select the code widget, drag it anywhere onto the page. Once added, simply paste your code into the widget. You can add HTML, CSS, JavaScript, iframes, embed codes, or any other supported custom code. After that, click Save and Preview to see the final result on your website. And that's it. This is how easy it is to add Google Analytics, Facebook Pixel, live chat systems, tracking tools, custom widgets, embedded applications, and other third-party integrations directly into your pages, websites, and funnels. If you have any questions, don't hesitate to reach out.